This custom theme or theme wrapper for Rise 360 gives you a nice persistent background image, and you can throw your own image in there. And also it will not override if you specify a background image. That background image will still come through, but as long as you specify white backgrounds, which is the default in Rise, it will inherit the custom background image that you can add. And if we look at the files here, I'm going to apply this to a brand new course. This is my new course I've downloaded from Rise. And if you look at the files, theme is where I put the customizations. So if I go to my new course, I just copied that folder called theme. I'm just going to paste that theme folder. Got my CSS and a couple images. That's all that makes up this theme. It's pretty simple. Now if I go to edit that CSS file, this is the one thing I need to add to my index file. And I'm going to open up my text editor here. And I'm going to put that just right at the top. Paste it in right at the top inside the head of the document. And then we should see a new cover page. And we can see my new theme has been applied. Got that persistent background image and the cover page. And now I can save in my own cover page if I want, or replace that background image. Nice, quick, easy way to get some branding across your entire microlearning. And if I was going to package this up, I can simply go back to the original folder, and then all I'm going to do is, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to right click and hit compress, and then that is my SCORM package that I can upload to my LMS. And you can download this from Theme 360. I'll be making a new category for sample themes. And also, one more thing you may want to do. Let's take a look at this gradient overlay. By default, it's kind of a gray color in Rise. I've recolored this a little bit. And what you can do in your browser, I'm just in my browser tools, we can quickly recolor this. You can see I've selected a kind of that green color, which I sampled originally from that image. But let's take another look. Here's that red color coming from the top. And this is that green. Maybe I want it to be all kind of that red hue. So you can play with the opacity and the colors right in your browser debugger. This is called designing in the browser. Well, I kind of like that better, actually. Then I'm just going to copy and paste this. Now, these changes will be lost, like if I hit refresh, so I'm just going to copy that whole thing. Let me go back to my custom.css file. It's right at the top. You can see this gradient CSS. I'm just going to paste the whole thing in there. There we go. And then moment of truth, let's hit refresh, and I just restyled my cover page. The interior pages still have that background. If I wanted to, I could modify that image and resave my Helix image. And of course, you can use your own images with your own file names, which you would change in that custom.css file.